Hello, my people. Welcome back to Onyeaghala Nwanneya Media. Before we continue, Facebook, please permit us to use the music that we are going to play today. I did not make the music. Onyeaghala Nwanneya did not make the music. But please permit us to use it. Approve it for us. And also all the social media clips that we are going to use today for this broadcast. Please, they are there in the public domain, and we have to use them to send our message and messages across the world. Thank you, Facebook.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is my light and my salvation. Of whom shall I be afraid? The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I be afraid? Of whom shall I be afraid? Hoshiana, Hoshiana, Hoshiana. We will sing of your salvation. Hoshiana, Hoshiana, Hoshiana. Lord, we cry out for your salvation.
The Lord is my strength. The Lord is my protection. The Lord is my Lord and my King. Whom shall I fear? Nobody. Thank you to our brother Joshua Aaron for this beautiful track that he played to welcome us into today's broadcast. My people, my Biafran people all over the world, I greet you, I welcome you. Ụtụtụ ọma nọ, ehihie ọma nọ, abalị ọma nọ, ebe ọbụla anyị nọ, gbasaa ụwa niile. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of us, wherever we may be. Today is April 30, 2024, the last day in the month of April. And today is Afọ market in the Igbo market calendar. Anyị na-ekpe ekpere ka afọ fọpụọrọ anyị ihe ọjọọ, fọpụọrọ anyị ndị bịara igbu anyị, fọgbuchie ha, tirie ha n'ohi ụzọ. ka afọ fọbatala anyị ihe ọma, fọbatala anyị nwere onwe, ka afọ fọbatala anyị mmeri. Anyị nọ n'ala anyị, ndị iro abịa igbu anyị, anyị ga-anọ n'ala anyị merie ihe. Ọrụ ọsọ anyị ga-agba. We are not going to run away from our land. We are in our land, in Ala Igbo. Ala Igbo, the land blessed with every kinds of good things, good weather, good fertile land, good people. Ala Igbo is our land. Good culture, good tradition, music, dance, everything, we have it. And we will not be running away from our land. We will stand gidigwam. And anybody that wants to kill us, that person will kill themselves, not us. Excuse me. My people, things have changed. It has gotten worse than it was before. And today, I'm here to make a special plea to the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Please, please, please. My name is Rosemary Williams, NWADA Rosemary Williams. I am an Igbo daughter, born and raised in Ala Igbo, now American citizen. Please, I plead with you to come over to the Nigeria, to the southeast Nigeria, to be precise, to Ala Igbo, the Igbo land, and help us. Why am I pleading to you directly? It's because you are the Israeli Prime Minister. And from history has it that the Igbo people and the Israel people are related by blood. We have Igbo Jews, we have Israeli Jews. We are related by blood. We have Igbo Christians. We have those who worship the traditional Jewish religion. And we also have those who worship the Christianity as established after the death of Christ. We are dying, we are perishing, not because of anything that we have committed, just because we are the Jews and we are the Christians living in Nigeria. And you, I plead with you today because I heard you. I heard you loud and clear. When you made a plea to the United Nations, you presented your case and you took a vow that no matter where the Jews live around the world, that none of us will suffer genocide as the Jewish people suffered during the Holocaust. I'm pleading with you today because something that is greater than Holocaust is about to happen. You know how the Nigerian government and the British allies and their groups slaughtered our people between 1966 through 1970. They slaughtered us. They killed more than 5 million Igbos during that war. Children were 3 million and the remaining 2 million were adults. And the war, we thought it has ended, but it has never ended. And now they gradually came. The Nigerian government, supported and sponsored by the British government, they are still killing us. More than what they have killed during those years of war have lost their lives since after the war. And the world is keeping silent. The world is keeping mute. The world is looking as if nothing is happening because it is happening to the Jews and the Christians in Nigeria. Because if it's anything else, if it happens to the Muslim, if it happens to any other set of people, the world will have risen. They would have been crying. You will see United States crying. You will see Britain crying. You will see the Japanese. You will see every one of them, Asians, all of them crying. Even our own Israel will be crying, trying to protect those people. Yes, we are dying. We are perishing. We are languishing in Nigeria, in our own land, in Igbo land, in Biafra land. We are the Biafrans, and they are killing us in numbers. They are killing us in multiple numbers. We need your help. Please, I'm pleading. Please, I'm begging. Please, 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 our Israeli brothers and sisters, help us, help us, help us. The Israeli Prime Minister, please, please, Prime Minister Netanyahu, please come over to Nigeria and save the Jews, save the Christians, save those who are related by blood with the Israeli people. Years has passed. Many years have gone by. So we have been separated and separated for good. But our culture, our tradition, our ways of worship still bind us together. Therefore, what unites us is greater than what separated us. Please help us. And I'm going to show today what is happening in Nigeria, how the Islamic terrorist Nigerian government is killing my people and nobody's talking. Nigerian government is a terrorist set of government. They are terrorists. They are sponsoring Boko Haram. They are sponsoring ISIS. They are sponsoring Hezbollah. They are sponsoring Hezmen to kill us. They give them equipment to kill us. And the worst part of it is that they are using our brothers in government. People like Peter Mba, people like Chukwuma Soludo, people like Hope Uzodimma and Wifru. They are using them to kill my people. Their own people. And they are sitting there because they are the governors. They are sitting there because they need money. They are sitting there because they need power. And God must surely crush them all as they want to wipe the land that gives them life. Let me show what is happening to our people. This is in Enugu State. They are trying to wipe away Enugu State. They have already been in Enugu and in Anambra State. Are we talking about Ebonyi? They have already taking over. Are we talking of Imo State? We have Udelene Rosu there, sitting, enjoying the flesh and body of his own people. Hope was at them. Let's hear what is happening in this community in Enugu State.
Ya obodo na-akpọ ugwu juru na ime Nimbo. Obodo a gbafuru ọsọ kịta. Ndị Fulani bịara wakpo obodo a kịta. Ha batara ma onwere onye mma. Ha bido fire egbe, gbawa egbe. Obodo a gbara ọsọ kịta. Before securities are Russia, ọbụna ha gbago. Obodo nọ n'obodo a. Obodo nọ n'obodo a kịta. Ofu mkpụrụ onye anọrọzi n'obodo a.
Uguzo, ndị Nimbo nọ na Uguzo. The people have run away. They have deserted their place. And now they have run away. They have kicked them out. Now the governor of that Enugu is planning, before he brought these people in to kick his own people out, he has already made the arrangement on how to replace our people. But I'm saying that the people in Nimbo and Uguzo should not allow it to happen. Do not allow it to happen, because if you are completely out from your own place, now the Fulani has taken it over. If you leave them, and I'm calling on every Biafran, no matter which group that you belong to, no matter where that you support or do not support, this is the time. We should not allow these people to chase our community members out and then bring their own to replace us. We are in our own land. Please, people should rise up now. And if you can get that Peter Mba is a human being. No matter how many armored tanks that are holding him or protecting him, you can always reach him. Peter Mba is a human being. Nobody will tell you how to reach him. Are there no IGBO'S around him? Even if he use all the Fulanis or all the houses to gather him, to rally himself around, there must be a way. An Igbo person, even the least person we should be expecting can reach him. We should not allow them free. Peter Mba or Chukwuma Soludo, for what they are doing in Anambra and Enugu today and tomorrow, we need to get them down. Bring them. Just chase them out too. Let them go to Abuja and live. They're no longer welcome in our communities. All these people that do not want to the Igbo land to stand, they should not have a leg to stand in our land. They should go and live in Abuja. We dash them all to the Fulani. Now let me show you. Things are happening.
Ndaboki, when the mother 20, the bridge river. No Zondago. Nobody had a man to buy a vehicle. Nobody had a man to buy and Ndaboki. Eh? I find the Fulani banana. Nobody had made this young man knows of buying that. Always pay the same for buying when they go to show you and you never will. Yeah? Okay, just go away and over the say here. No, so that what you made this man. This guy. Away again, Mary. Somebody to go them the way. I'm all this boy after. My way again, Mary. Away again, Mary. Just come on down. I'm going on New Zealand to work here. I'm neighboring that. Mantia for just butu I call on the Fulani. Oh, I'm not how by. Yeah, this young man, I'm able more one time. Yaka one neck or jalag. Yaka oil on a jigedu, you can one. Yaka one neck or jalag. Yeah, I'm not here when they cook work. They got this young man, the ginger but I cook one, the Fulani. We share more what you read.
That's one of our brothers in Enugu State. He just went to his farm and he said there were more than 20 Fulani with their guns and ammunition. He managed to escape. And see how much he was brutalized before he was able to escape their kidnap. And you know, we call them kidnappers because that bush, that's farmland where this man went, that they caught him and were butchering him. He's in his own farmland. So you see that? And you see this one.
Okay, ndị Fulani gbara unu egbe n'ụzọ mụrụ ọkpa. Yes. N'ụzọ na-abịa Olo. Yes. Ka unji moto unu na-anataba anyị. Yes. Na-abịa n'ụzọ na-abịa Olo. Yes. Ha gbaliche moto unu. Yes. Yes. So mgbọdụ gị n'aka na. Hey. Hey. Mgbọ mee gị ihe a. Oh my God. Sorry. Okay. So ndị Fulani ka anyị na-achọzi ya akwazịba anyị n'Olo amago mọlọkpa Eziagụ dị n'Enugu State. God forbid.
And that man and his wife, they were coming back from somewhere to their home. And he's saying that he has bullets inside his arm. There were bullets inside that arm that he was holding. He was not finding trouble. And I call on my people to rise up. I said this before. If you're still sleeping, know that all the bushes around us have been surrounded. Although these people have guns and ammunition, although the government has stripped off protective guns from even the hunter guns from the Igbo people before they started bringing these Fulani in and their herdsmen in. Try and get yourself one and protect yourself. Communities should rise. You see the people in Nimbo have been chased away. Are you going to sit or sleep or fold your arm until you are chased away from your own land? Don't cry, had I known, because we are screaming, we are telling you people that things are happening. He who have ears should know and hear. And the worst part of it is that the Nigerian government is the one arming these criminals. It's the Nigerian government that is arming them to come and kill the IGBO'S and BIAFRANS in their land. They want to wipe us away. But God will not allow that to happen. My people, I don't have to stay too long. I just came out here today to let everybody know that they are coming back again. And you know that this is the farming season. We have farmed our plants and the crop and do our cropping. Now they are trying to sprout and grow. The Nigerian government is bringing back the herdsmen with their cattle to come and eat them up because they do not want any food to grow in our land. But are we going to allow them? Are we going to be afraid that we don't want anybody to see us with gun? When the people coming to kill us are carrying gun, the government is not taking it away from them. And we are afraid to carry guns ourselves. If they are coming to kill us with gun, if you can buy gun for yourself, buy 1, buy 2, buy even 10 and share it. Buy 20 and share it. Because when they're coming, it's not just one person coming. So if only you is the one trying to protect, you may not go far. Buy as much as you can and give it out. Train your wife, train your children, train your brothers and sisters, train your cousins. Give them something. I'm talking to the communities, community heads. Do not be afraid because when they come, they will not say you are the community head. They will kill you first. Arise, my people. Protect yourselves. Because this is the same thing that is happening. Again, that's what happened between 1966 and 1970. They are back. This time they are coming with no mercy. This is the same kind of thing they did to our brothers, the Jewish brothers and sisters during the Holocaust. They are coming back. And if you are afraid of them, if you don't want to fight back, then you'll be run over. You'll be exterminated. Our race will be forgotten. We do not want to be forgotten. Please, my people, arise and defend yourselves. So please, help me to share this broadcast. And anybody who can reach any prime minister or any government workers or any of the leaders in Israel, please tell them that the Jewish citizens of Nigeria, the Jewish citizens of Nigeria in Igbo land and the Christians are being wiped away. Because when you come to the eastern Nigeria, it's like 90, we don't even have a percentage of Muslim there, except for these ones that they have been bringing in these recent years. So call it 98 to 99% Christians to maybe 1% Muslims. So they are coming to wipe away the Christians and the Jewish that live in the eastern region of Nigeria. We need your help. All the Christians around the world, America is a Christian country. British, although British is the one that is killing us, they will get what they deserve when their own turn comes. We need our people. The first time the Irish people helped us. Please, the Irish, wherever you are, help us again. Reach out to the people that can help us. You helped us those times that people did not know about us, but you did help us. And the story reached us because most of us did not know what happened during the war, or were not even there during the war. But everything the Irish people did to give us life, we know and we always cherish till the day we die. So anybody that help us, we know. The Gabon help us. We know that. So at least I know that the Irish people helped me, the Gabon people helped me, and we were eating the things that they were bringing to us, and they were the people clothing us. And it has started again. America is a Christian community. America is a Christian country. What are they doing? Are they doing deaf ear to the cry of the IGBO'S in Nigeria. I called them to do something. Please help me to share this. Help me to share this. And thank you, the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu. Please, I thank you for listening. I want this thing to reach you. And I see people trying to bring you down for standing up for the Israel. That's what they can do. They want to leave other countries to come and kill Israel people, to come and wipe Israel people. And then when the Prime Minister stand up for the Israel and do not want anything like that past Holocaust to happen again, and everybody is screaming and blaming him and suppressing him. No! We stand with you, Benjamin Netanyahu. Stand up for the people of Israel. Do not allow anybody to bully them, because you are the man. You are the man. You are the man. Do not leave an inch, because if you give an inch to the enemy, they'll come and cripple you. Don't. You are doing a great job. Continue. And may God guide you in whatever you are doing. Thank you, my people. Because people have the way of blaming others. But when they are the ones wearing the shoe, when other people come and kill your people and kill your people and wipe your race, they will not talk anything. But when you rise up to stand for your people, then they come and say nonsense. That's why they have kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That's why they are holding him down. But we are not going to back out. We must defend Biafra land. We must defend Alibo. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share. Please help me to share and make this broadcast to go viral. Thank you.